everyone, this is Tango Oriental part 5, but this is the second tutorial for part 5. In this video, we will try all the movements that were explained in the previous video with music. So, if you didn't watch Tango Oriental part 5 first video, please go back to that video. It will be linked here in the description so you can find it. Alright, so here in this video we will try everything that was explained in the previous one with music. In previous one there was just explanation of the moves. Alright, so we will start with what I believe is the best way to teach you with slowed music. Again, we tried those moves slowly in the previous tutorial. Now I want us to start building it up, and we will be building up the speed by first trying with the slowed music, this part, and then we'll, after a couple of times we try with slowed music, we will do it with real tempo. Okay? Get ready. We will do only the third part of the musical composition that we worked on specifically for module number 5. Okay, so it's not from the beginning for now. We'll try from the beginning and the end of this tutorial. Okay, so get ready. tempo, finally. Hold on, let me just find this point. outside of the time I'm teaching you. So we probably have the same amount of practice together, me and you, right? So for me, this is not enough yet. I didn't feel the music through. Still need repetition, repetition, and repetition. Probably after I repeat 10 times, my technique will improve. I will feel the music better and it will kind of flow better with the music, okay? This all takes time. So let's do one more time only this part with music, and then one more time from very beginning. And then you on your own will continue practicing and practicing, okay? So one more time this part only with music. But remember, you have to repeat this time at least 10 times so you get everything together, your technique and your musicality. It might even be more than 10 times. It might be more. So take your time. one more time. Let me see how long this video is. From the beginning, get ready. I hope you noticed I messed up. One more time. Let's go. For this tutorial, continue practicing many times. I need more time to practice. You also need more time to practice. So go back to the beginning of tutorial and practice again and again this part and the previous video also, of course, with explanation. That part is probably more important than this one. All right? Okay, thank you so much. Waiting for your homework videos. See you next module, next class.